Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Performance Cordless Angle Grinder 20 volt, the model PWSAP 20LID4. Bare unit only, battery and charger are not included at the box, compatible with batteries in the Parkside X20 volt team series. Brushless motor, especially durable, powerful with low wear and tear, for cutting and grinding. Up to 49% higher cutting speed for flat steel, up to 23% higher cutting speed for tiles, and 10 times longer motor life, compared to the Parkside cordless angle grinder without brushless motor. Ready to connect, the power tool, the smart battery, and with a little app, and you can check the performance of your power tool and of your battery. Area of application: cutting and grinding, rated rotation speed 3000 to 10,000 RPM, disc size 125 mm, holder M14 with a spindle lock. Designed in Germany with a 5 years warranty. Who gives 5 years warranty? Only Parkside. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Parkside Performance. I like the case, red and black. And there's the tool with the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this angle grinder. Only the angle grinder, nothing else at the box. So much space. Obviously it is for your charger, for your battery, for your second battery, and some accessories. Now let's check the tool. Non-slip soft grip elements. I like the black with the gray and the red. Rubberized housing with a robust aluminum front and 3-position front handle. You can just remove that. Install it at this position. Or here. It is your choice. Soft grip in here. The key at this position, it fits perfect. Parkside brushless performance motor. To remove the disc, it is very easy. Just press this lock button here. It will lock the disc. And then with this key you can just unscrew. There it is. But before removing the disc, you need to remove the plastic safeguard. There it is. And remove the disc. And of course you can adjust the safeguard, this metal. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 position. This is the middle. And again, install the disc. Lock button. And with this tool, tighten it as much as you can. That is all. And then you can just slide and the guard. So easy. And adjust. Nice. And of course we need the battery. You can use the 4 ampere hour smart battery or the 8 ampere hour smart battery. I will use the 8 ampere hours. Of course you can use a regular 4 ampere hours battery. It doesn't have to be a smart battery. It will work. Or if you want, you can use the 2 ampere hours battery, but it will not last so much. You will have more power with the 4 ampere hours or the 8 ampere hours. And To turn it on, you need just to slide this at the right and front. Press once here and it stops. I like how it stops. Let's do it again. Okay, nice. And we have the speed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On. With this button you can choose the speed. And you can do that with one hand. And it stops. I like it. Okay, beautiful. Here we have a ventilation, I can see. Okay, maybe for cooling down here the internals. BL, Bluetooth obviously. You can connect this battery with your smartphone with a little app or the Smart Life app. I have made a video about this battery, you can check this video down below in the description. Find out all about this battery and how you can check your battery, choose performance, eco, standard mode from the settings. Check the volt, the charging or discharging process, all that. Nice, I like it. Well, let's move on for testing. I love working with this power tool. Definitely with me it can handle any job, cutting any metal, if that is a rebar, any thickness, without a problem. And with the performance battery 8Ah, it will last long enough to do your job. The angle grinder, it costs 65 euros. If you don't have any batteries from Parkside, you need to give about 33 euros for the 4Ah, not smart battery, or the 8Ah, 70 euros. For the smart battery 4Ah, it is about 50 euros. Do the math and in the end you will find out the cost. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.